Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review and installation of these little Infinity Overland seat filters for, in my case, my 2014 F-150 Raptor. These will be able to fit into any of the 12th gen, I believe it is, F-150s or 1st gen Raptors that have the cooled seat option. If you only have heated seats, you don't have seat filters. If you have heated and cooled seats, you do. So a little bit of backstory. Ford had some seat filters that looked something like this, just with a white filter element, whenever the heated and cooled seats originally came out. My truck, 2014, didn't come with those filters. It came with a open grate style of filter, which I then cut some just standard filter material for a couple years ago, and it's been in there since. You can see it's collected some dust. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. You can see all the little holes there. And this filter is a pretty fresh one from about a year ago, so it only has about one summer, maybe even less than that, worth of use on it. And this is on the passenger seat, so my driver's seat should be probably significantly dirtier than this one. So the reason for the filters and the reason I put the filter material in is because with this newer style part, and Ford doesn't make the filtered version anymore, all you have is some clear plastic holes you can see, or some plastic with some holes straight through. These don't catch any of the finer dust and debris, and that'll eventually make its way up into your cooled seat fans, the passageways that the air flows through, and clog them up eventually. Don't know how long that'll take, but again, it will happen at some point. So I had put the filter material in to prevent that, but these Infinity Overland ones, pretty recently released, look like a pretty darn good product as far as the filtration ability goes, and definitely the filter material is a little bit less dense. I don't know if you can see my hand through that, but it's definitely less dense than what I put in here. Hopefully will allow the seats to flow a little better. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install these. It's super simple. It's just kind of difficult to see, but I'm going to get a good camera angle for you so you can see how these go in, and I'll actually put the OEM one back on so you can see the removal and the installation process. So we'll hop onto the truck and show you how to do that. All right, so you can see we're under here, under the driver's seat, and I've got as good of an angle as I can on the seat filter. All you have to do to remove it is turn it counterclockwise. You can see it turns just like that and drops down. And you can actually see the little impeller here, or the blower wheel for the cooled seats. I believe the heated seats also suck in air and blow it over a Peltier unit, essentially, for the heated seats on the trucks that have heated and cooled. But that's all you need to do to remove the filter. And I'll go ahead and pull out my filter. You can see that thing is dirty. So I use my driver's side cooled seat every day in the summer here in Arizona. That's about half a summer to summer's worth of usage there. So you can see this catch quite a bit. That's why you don't want to just run it with the Ford cover, at least as far as I'm concerned, because it will eventually clog everything up. So we've got the new filter here, blue side down. Again, wheel right there. And these guys, they don't click in quite so confidently as the Ford ones. You can see we can kind of go over a center point and pass. But you just got to get that first click in place. And now they're clicked into place and they're solid. You can see right there. So that's all there is to installing these. Super easy process. I'll definitely keep you all posted in the comment section below as far as airflow goes. All of the reports that I've heard so far is that there's a pretty darn good significant increase over the factory ones. So that's great to hear. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any questions, comments, or concerns below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.